I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's that hose right there, that fitting. It looks like it's loose, but I can't get a wrench on it. Let's hop to it. Morning, folks. I hope you're having a lovely day. If you're new here, my name is Matt, and I work for an excavation company. See? Excavator. Now I dig underground utilities for subdivisions. I do some other things as well. I got some videos of doing other things, but my main thing is doing underground utilities, backfilling, file and grading, stuff like that. Obviously got this utility here. I started to bed that in. We have one over there that I've already bedded in all that pipe. That's on test, ready to be inspected. My other gauge broke, so I can't get this one on test. So hopefully the inspector will go check that one first, and then when he's done looking at that sewer, I can run over here and put this one on test. What I gotta do first is make me a little path over there so I can put rock on my storm and bed all that in. I'll need a big one, just so I can get my tracks up on and reach over there and throw some rock on that pipe. Don't need a whole bunch, just some. Got everything all bedded in. Storm's way back there, you can't see that. Got the power all bedded in. Got the gas line laid. Got my separation on everything. Now it's a game of hurry up and wait. These inspections were supposed to happen yesterday. Things didn't work out, so they're coming today. This is the gauge that was broke. See that crack right there? That'll leak air. Can't be having that. Like I said earlier, if we could take that one off test over there, after he looks at it, come put it on this one, put this on test, and hopefully he'll pass. And sometimes these guys are just rude and they won't do that. They won't work with us. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. So the company that develops the land out here for this subdivision, for these builders, they got this dozer. It's probably the biggest dozer I've ever seen. Deere 1050K. So for size comparison on the blade here, I'm 5'10". Yeah, I don't know if you can see that or not, or how well you can see that, but yeah, this thing is huge. It's over probably 8 foot long too. Dang. Yeah, I've never seen one this big. Let's see if that'll fill in that crack and hold air. If this was a Monday, I'd understand, but it's Wednesday. I just want to get stuff done. You see it right there. There's a hole in the test weenie. Sweet. So the inspector got here. He was being super cool. He's usually by the book guy, which isn't really a bad thing. You know, his job's got to get done. This stuff's got to get done right. He's been working or inspecting for us for a couple years now, since we started the subdivision. Kind of knows us, knows we get our job done right first time, because we don't want to come back and fix it for free. I'm going to show you how we get this off test. And that's it. It just plugs up the end of that Y. There we go. Anybody want to bring me that gravel over there with a skid steer? Anybody? Anybody? Awesome. So power inspections just came too, and Ran our pull string, got that all passed. So now I'm just gonna fill in the holes, and we're gonna go fill in the holes on that foundation over there too, just because that one's right next to a house that has kids, so it's got a 5-foot sewer. So I'm just gonna fill in these holes, and then I'll work my way around the foundations and everything like that. All right, so we got all of them holes filled. It's not pretty by any means. That's gonna be a front patio. It's a big one. So I ordered 8 boxes of gravel. Here's 4. There's 2. I don't know if you see on the other side of the machine there, and 2 over there. I'm getting pretty hangry. So before I go fill in those other holes over there, I'm gonna go eat. All right, so on my way back from lunch, the light came on in my truck saying there was water in the fuel. And so, come on now. If I can get this open one-handed. So the fuel water separator acts as a fuel filter as well. There's only one on these 7.3s. But I don't have a filter right now to get it. So that right there. Ooh, that's hot. I might wait for it to cool down a little bit. What I'm gonna do on this one is I'm gonna get this house all buttoned up today. It's only noon, so I got about, I would say till probably like 4 and work on it. And I might be able to get to the other one. At least start on that one. Now, I had nowhere to put dirt, so the driveway was the only place to put it. We got power inspections on these yesterday. The water line's in the same trench, so I had to wait to fill in the trench. Backfill it. Before we leave a little space right there for the plumbers, and they can go and do their work. So we're all done here. It's not pretty by any means, but they're gonna come up here with their skid steer tomorrow, the concrete guys are, and they're gonna annihilate this whole yard. I got some of that over there just because I was over here, might as well just get what I can reach. But now I'm gonna get this garage and driveway all flattened out. Got that looking good. It's not 100%, but they're gonna come in here and wreck it with their skid steer anyway. I gotta get all the way around the foundation to the back patio. That's probably gonna be the end of the day for me. Around, making it around. Get all mine. I think the concrete's gonna go to the edge of that garage, so. Oh. Point is when you do go to final grade, I think I told you before, we only wanted to take a couple hours of final grade or so. We got that side just done, it's there. Kind of shaped, but it is what it is. Now I got to cut out for the back patio. I already started a little bit. It's between there. You see that one over there. It's a 13 by 14 patio. All right, so that's all done. It's just there. I don't know what grade they're gonna hold that patio. There's a ton of dirt back here. Dirt here is probably 2 foot higher than foundation. So everything's got to slope out that way and then out towards that valley. Just gonna finish up all around here. Get what I couldn't reach over there. Get my shovel work done. Get the dirt off those people's rocks. And I'm gonna call it a day. That's gonna wrap this one up, my people. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to pop up that like button. Maybe leave a little comment. And as always, friends, we'll see you next time.